It has been over 2 months since Mahayuti government is formed in Maharashtra, but it seems all is not well within the Mahayuti government. The differences between Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde and his alliance partners BJP and NCP seems to be growing since the time Devendra Fadnavis tightened his grip over Mahayuti 2.0 government as CM. Eknath Shinde is making all this evident by skipping cabinet meetings, not attending meetings chaired by Devendra Fadnavis, etc. Let me illustrate this with 2 or 3 more examples. The main point of contention between Shiv Sena and its alliance partners is the issue of guardian ministership. When the government announced the guardian ministers for different districts, for Raigad and Nashik district, Shiv Sena's Bharat Gogavle and Dada Bhuse respectively were hopefuls. But instead, NCP's Aditi Tatkare was chosen as the guardian minister for Raigad and Girish Mahajan of the BJP was chosen as the guardian minister for Nashik. This really upset the Shiv Saiниks. So much so that some of the Shiv Sainiks even came on road and protested in Raigad against this. Devendra Fadnavis had to stop these appointments. He was in fact at that point of time in Davos attending the World Economic Forum. At that time, Eknath Shinde had said that once Devendra Fadnavis comes back to India, this issue will be resolved. But it has been over 2 weeks since Devendra Fadnavis is back and the issue of guardian minister is still going on. Another example, earlier this week, in fact, Ajit Pawar had chaired a DPDC meeting of Raigad. At that meeting, the collectors and different district level officers were present, including Aditi Tatkare, who is the cabinet minister. But none of the Shiv Sena MLAs from Raigad were present at the meeting. They claim that they were not invited. Another issue between Shiv Sena and BJP is that earlier last week, Devendra Fadnavis appointed an IS officer to chair the MSRTC board. Now, MSRTC, which is the state transport buses, at that time, the head or the chief of that MSRTC is normally a political appointee. But this time, Devendra Fadnavis chose an IS officer. Even at that time, Shiv Sena was hoping that one of his MLAs who could not be accommodated as a cabinet minister would be accommodated as MSRTC chief. But instead, Devendra Fadnavis decided to go for an IS officer. There are many more such examples of Eknath Shinde not attending cabinet meetings in the last 2 weeks. He did not even attend the meeting chaired by Devendra Fadnavis of the Urban Development Department, of which Eknath Shinde himself is the minister. Where is all this going to lead? How things will pan out, we'll definitely keep an eye. But it looks like until the local body elections are held, these issues will be coming every now and then.